good afternoon everyone, welcome back to another video from the Lights Up Lights Down channel. And today we're going to be looking at the car park and what's happening in the workshop. So other than the last video that you saw, if it's running in order, everything's the same out here, other than this Green Mark 1 has arrived for some rust proofing. This one arrived today. Everything else is the same car park. It's full of MX-5s to clean, wash, repair, get sold. Yeah, so nothing new going on there. Let's go and have a see with the guys and see what's happening in the workshop. We'll go see Roy first. Do 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 do. You alright?
Afternoon.
You alright?
Yeah.
So you've
Escalated the job.
yeah. So this one's come in for a. Someone's telling him to turn it off.
Right? Don't keep quiet. You don't turn it off.
Thanks. Shh. So this one came in for a repaint, and the guy just wanted to be very thorough. I think we have featured this on a video when I said we cut it out. But it was in the car park the other day, but Roy's now gone to town on it.
You needed it.
Yeah. So it's got no rear seal section, no jacking point, no inner, no inner upper.
No arch, no inner arch.
Yeah, no arch, no inner arch. Hang on, there's no front seal.
Nope.
It's just all gone, but it
gone.
Needed to be cut out, didn't it?
Yes, because we were just going to do front and rears, and then I found bubbling, and I looked down. And it's just
Yeah,
to go
that's
out,
the inside section
It's
of the
just got
seal.
to go. So I was like, okay, we'll cut the seal off, see what the rest of it's like inside. The inner upright wasn't actually too bad. That's something there. And then I cleaned up a couple of bits on the floor of the seal panel. We was already going to repair this section in there.
Yeah.
But then I found bubbles and so I just tickled them. And they made holes. That's inside.
Needed doing. I'm pretty certain that this probably had some water sitting in it for some period amount of time, and then that starts the process, and then it's just no turning back from there, is it?
No, I probably agree with you, purely because, like, if you come around the back of the car, right, all around here.
So this is a VR limited.
So all around here, although it's had some protection put on it in the past, but it's just really clean.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It's not blown out on any of the seams or the panels or anything like that.
That's generally another sign up there, isn't it? That it's cruddy, and that would be another sign to say that.
Yeah. It's not like it's been sat around for years or anything like that. It's just, unfortunately, it's had water trapped inside it, and that's the result of it. Hence why the rest of the cars are clean.
So what have we got going on the other side
We'll
then?
fix it.
It's not cut open, but you've cut
It is
the
cut open.
you've cut the rear open, haven't you?
No, I haven't. This was already done.
Oh yeah.
This was all done while I was away. So after this, just cleaned it up and started treating it. But we've got to rebuild all the front because
Yeesh.
it's all gone there.
Yeah.
But it's all gone to the point where it's actually gone past the torque panel. So we've got to replace this panel at the same time because it's had a big repair done there.
Oh yeah.
Get all that out. We're also doing floor rails because this had some funky
Oh yes.
over.
Yeah. So it's I don't know. Yeah. I mean we did look at it, so I don't know if it was on camera, but we did look at this and wondered whether or not these were glued in. They just
think
didn't
they
look like they didn't look like
No,
welded,
not
in,
welded.
bolted and
It's bolted
PU'd,
and PU'd
maybe.
in.
Yeah,
But we're getting rid of that and we're putting our own floor rails in.
strengthen the car up
So
as well,
strengthen
wasn't
the
it?
car as well. Yeah.
I'd say you'll be on this.
Good couple of weeks.
Yeah, so do some more updates next week, maybe.
Yeah.
See how the rest of it's going. Hopefully, it should go back together.
There you go.
At least most of the messy parts done.
Yeah, I didn't.
Clearing out the
Yeah, but I
crap,
didn't have to do that.
and it's
I
just
was sodding it up.
the clean. the clean. You got the clean way forward now. All right. Well then, we'll pick this up next week then.
Yeah, no worries.
Cheers, Roy. Who shall I see now? Shall I go and see this noisy git here? You all right?
Yeah,
Thanks for that.
Am I allowed to make noise now?
Yeah, well, yeah, you can chat to me if you want. What are you doing?
Yeah. Just finishing up a service on the Mark III. Nothing too exciting.
Oh, okay.
New disc pads, drop links all rounds.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, this morning you were getting the old drop links off, weren't you? And you're using the new induction heater tool.
Wicked.
You're quite a fan of that, aren't you?
Oh yeah. Anything that gets anything.
I mean, if
hot.
I needed to get used, I would. Ooh, baby. Yeah, just service work then. So there's nothing really much to talk about on this, other than Gowan's just finished doing the. Well, you're in the process of bleeding the clutch.
Yeah, brakes
cylinder,
and blade
yeah.
just needs to do the clutch, but I was told I was making too much noise.
Yeah, it does make a bit of a noise. All right, well, I'll get this video done in a minute. You can crack on. See what Grant's doing.
Same as Owen.
Ah, Grant's.
Sorry, this.
Well, no, Grant's putting a wheel on.
Until it's real. It's on the
Yeah.
corner of the car, round. It's got rubber
I-
on the outside of
Shall
it.
I help you?
Oh, mate, that's fantastic.
See, look.
Oh,
That's
I'll put the nut on so the hole goes over,
Yeah, got it.
not the other way round.
This is a how-to on putting a wheel on.
And that should be okay,
Tighten them up a bit more.
you think?
Yeah. When your finger starts slipping on the nut,
See, what's going to happen one day,
that's it.
I'm going to progress the tools, and they're
You
going
don't
to
need-
have tools to do this.
You don't need a torque wrench.
No.
Oh no! Look, it's
No,
loose. That's
you're
not.
holding it
That's not
properly.
good. There we
You're holding
go.
it properly.
Hang on, we're nearly done. That's it. Look.
These two
Oh,
are just...
hang on.
Yeah,
No.
no.
That's
Yeah,
that.
these two
That's the cause of wheel wobble. That is wheel balancing issue.
You reckon?
Yeah, when your nuts aren't
It's like
tight
that.
enough.
Yeah. I tell you what I'll do is I will go and steal a tool.
All right, that's enough filler. Yeah, Grant's just done a service. Anything massively you need to do on this, or
Yeah, unfortunately we couldn't. It's got new pads. It needs new discs as well on the front.
yeah,
Unfortunately,
probably in the
next
back as
service you're
well.
gonna need back ones too.
Yeah.
Um,
Oh well.
but yeah, so temporarily we just put the old discs back on so we can get some in stock.
Oh well. That's the normal thing these
Yeah.
days, isn't it?
The
Nothing.
metal on the
Can't
back.
get it. It's not in stock.
Yeah.
Cheers, Grant. Right, Jakey. You alright?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's a bit of a close-up shot then. What are you up to then?
Another glorious Mark III.
You do seem to do a lot of them, don't you?
Yeah, it's funny that, isn't it?
You just seem to gel really well with them.
I know. I think me
You
and
got
the
them really
Mark,
well.
yeah, I think me and the Mark III's just go hand in hand.
So, have you rebuilt anything down there?
Yes, this job was meant to be just an arch.
Was it?
Yeah, but of course, cutting off everything, I come across little bubbly bits. So I try and not poke around as much, but I've got to investigate
Yeah.
because it's quoted for it anyway.
Yeah.
Of course, my hammer went straight through there, and down in there.
Oh,
But
did
of
it?
course, I've rebuilt everything.
So have you rebuilt all this?
Yes.
Did you notice I asked you if you'd done that? There's a compliment in there somewhere.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Because I asked you if you'd rebuilt that.
Oh yeah. Because you can't actually tell.
Yeah, see? See?
It's a bit like.
Yeah, you can just, I mean, on the camera it just shows up very faintly there, but
Yeah.
once that's undersealed and that, you wouldn't know.
Exactly.
You,
Hence,
you
that's why
wouldn't know.
That's why I'm playing with the primer. Like instead
Yeah.
of just stroking it on, we dab it on, so it looks like the original underseal. But there is a little bit underneath. It's not really that to be desired. I mean,
That's alright. I can see.
yeah, it got the drain holes there. It's got the shape.
Yeah, good. So what's happening with the other side?
Nothing.
So what you're doing there, you're remaking a new mount for the splash guard, aren't you?
Yes, because it's one of the common places
They
that
do.
rust comes from. Luckily, the other ones, a little bit of surface rust, but we'll clean up.
Yeah, that's not too bad.
That's
But
actually one of the cleanest I've
Yeah.
seen so far. But this one,
So the easiest way to do that, if you turn it round, is literally a bolt, weld it in. That's not going anywhere, is it? So that plastic nut that's going to go on the other end of that, there's no way that's twisting that round, is it?
and if you want to be, that little bit more to the point and make it look original, all you've got to do is shave off 5mm of that.
Ah, okay. And then it's the right length.
Yeah.
That's good.
2 nuts. Exactly 2 nuts. Cut that. Done.
Cool. Nice one.
Nice.
Let me look around the other side quickly then. So Jake hasn't obviously started round here. Are we doing anything round here?
No, nothing.
It's not too bad, is it? It looks like that'll just clear up.
Well, he doesn't want this side touched at all.
So you've got making that other side pretty well, haven't you? Because that comes down and that slopes. There is a slope on there, isn't there?
Yes.
And you've managed to incorporate that back.
And the groove
On
that
that.
goes in, especially on this panel, because there's a lot more internal work on this
Yeah.
one that you won't see because obviously it's
I think that's why you keep getting Mark III's.
because I make it look original.
You're doing a good job.
Was it because I only painted this manual here for one?
Cheers, Jake.
No worries, mate.
So that's what's happening in the workshop. Is Ashley? What's Ashley up to?
I'm doing a bag of boxes.
What's Ashley doing in the workshop? I was just about to wrap the video up. Do you want to say anything to anyone?
Not really. Hello.
No, sociable as usual, Ash.
You don't hire me to be social.
Right, okay, thanks for watching and hope you're enjoying the videos and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers, bye-bye.